Start today's factory inspection task. Go to the trash area and sort all the trash into corresponding trash cans. Then, proceed to the loading and unloading area to transfer the red goods that need to be repelled to the maintenance area. Return the repelled green goods to the loading/unloading area. After completing everything, return to parking number 2 and summarize and send me the inspection results of each area.
Factory inspection task begins. 2 PCS trash have been identified and sorting will begin now. This is a can which belongs to recyclable waste. This is an apple core which belongs to kitchen waste. Found 1 PCS red cargo in need of repair. I will start to transport it now. Now, send the green goods back to the loading and unloading area. Two PCS trash were identified in total. The red goods have been transferred to the maintenance area. Green goods have been returned to the loading and unloading area. The task has been successfully completed.